star. Kuami Eugene, yes, Kuami Eugene, he has been installed as Mrantehene of Oye Tepa traditional area in the Ashanti region. What's up? What's up? Yeah, that comes. That was me. Kwame Mafo, who is popularly known by the stage name Kwame Eugene, has been installed in Mrantehene at Tepa in the Ashanti region. The installment took place at Tepa during a special concert held in the town. Now, the 2020 VGM Artist of the Year, Kwame Eugene, was honored by the Omanhene of the Tepa traditional area, Nana Edusei Atimina Ampem. As part of the traditional rites, the singer was bedecked in traditional chief costume by the Omahine and afterwards given the title Imrantehene, meaning youth chief or chief of the youth. Now, wearing a beautiful traditional cloth, Kwame Eugene looked absolutely beautiful and stunning, reflecting the true African in him. Now, addressing the crowd after the installation, the rock star thanked the Omahine of the Tepa traditional area, chiefs and elders for the great honor. So let's go and then take a look at what happened at Tepa.
Kidi coming. Eti Tepa forward, I must say. I love you too. If you know my name, I'm in Yakupon Adananasi. I appreciate the love and support so much. Rob!
Kwame Eugene says, put some respect on my name. Hey, put some respect on my name. Hey, put some respect. Put some respect. Put some respect on my name. So yes, y'all better put some respect on that name, yeah. I don't know, yeah, Mrantehene. To see how when a friend and I'm Mrantehene. Mouth. I some more. I'll be said that this year. I want to never be a popular pair, and I want to be a hate to pen out. Where's Suin? When you share the queen mother or Guma France, oh, Coffee Baby was watching on him, Kakanka. I am really hoping that they make impact, on the community because this time around, at least you are also close to the people. You get close to the people, and also, but should not make impact. Also, none the Kakana are quad.